Hey friends, this is one of those multi-positional ladders and it actually will extend up really high, almost 11 feet. And I want to show you how to use it because it can be really tricky if you've never used one of these. Once you know how to do it, it's super simple. So this is what it looks like in its fully collapsed position. Obviously you can see it only rises about 4 feet and it combines up pretty nicely so that you can transport this. But from this position to actually use it, what we can do is actually just spread the legs apart. You can hear that these upper mechanisms will pop into place. I'll show you how to use those in just a second. And now we have a step ladder that again is roughly that 4 foot height. Now what's nice is each of these sides can also extend, so you can have this triangle shape, but you can move it up to about 5.5 feet. Now to do that, we need to loosen up these brackets down here. You basically pull these out. Now I'm going to put them off on the back of the ladder here. And I'm going to do that on the other side as well as this one over here. And remember that these two sides need to be obviously the same height. We actually have 3 different holes that we can use. Once you reach the correct hole, you have to again push these brackets and slot them into place on both sides, all 4 of the legs. Okay, now you can see again with the pegs in these bottom holes, there's 1, 2, 3 you can choose from. We now have a ladder that again is roughly 5.5 feet. You can see it kind of from this angle. Again, very stabilizing as long as you have all 4 of those pegs in the correct holes on the side. These are a little bit stiff, especially on this ladder. So again, you may have to use a little bit of force, but again, before you use this, make sure those are safely back in their proper hole configurations. Now again, this is about as tall as this will get in this triangular formation. But what we can then do is actually pivot this whole side up so that we stand this thing completely on end. Now again, if you're using that configuration, it's going to be leaning against a high ceiling. To do that, what we're going to do is actually push these 2 levers up here in. Watch what happens when I do that. As you can see, if I push in, these pegs will come out of that assembly here. We'll do the same on this side. And then now this whole side over here will swing up. Okay, once you swing things up, again, it goes up to about 11 feet. So that stretches really far. Again, use a lot of safety, obviously, in this configuration as well. You probably want to have somebody holding it, stabilizing it for you. But as you can see, that gets just tons of reach. Again, make sure that these pegs have fully snapped back and are secured into their holes here on either side. That will stabilize the ladder for you so you can use it. So again, not too difficult to figure out once you understand. Hopefully that has helped those of you who are looking for a little help. Hit that thumbs up button if this has. Stay tuned, we do a ton of these DIY tutorial videos to make your life just a little easier. We'll see you again on the next one.